Okay, we're going to see if we could see our great blue heron. I was calling it a herring, and people are like, that's a fish. So I call it Norman because it reminds me of Norman Bates. I love him. And my husband gets mad because I don't mind if he's in this because I think they're so pretty. Okay, be quiet, Cora. It's monster birds here. Normie. Watch. If it flies up, it's so big and scary. Norman. Oh, wait. Norman. Norman. Oh my God, there he is. Cora, there he is. There's Norman. Ah! There he goes. Norman. Norman. Ah, I'm not going under the bridge. Oh, you want me to go under there? Norman. Ah, it's going to peck my eye out. Norman. Ah, I'm not going. I'm not